Timecode information. When I'm up in my source monitor and I look over here to the left, this is my timecode information. This last two numbers, the 0, 5, these are the number of frames. The next number, the 0, 7, is the number of seconds. And the first tier 0, 0, this is the number of minutes. And the very first two zeros is the number of hours. So I have, at this point of the playhead, 7 seconds and 5 frames. So if I move this along, now I'm at 11 seconds and 17 frames. Now, you don't always have video that starts at the very beginning of the source media. So if I came down here and said go to the end, that would be at 0, 0. We don't always use the whole thing. So, I'm going to scrub across here and say, oh, maybe I'd only use a certain section of this. So a lot of times we only use special sections of it, and those are known as the in mark and the out mark, which we'll cover later. So you can see I'm currently, the time head is at 28 seconds and 11 frames. The duration of this clip is over here in the gray on the right. So it's a duration of 40 seconds and 26 frames. So we will have to watch this timecode information a lot when we are editing videos in Premiere Pro.